Welcome to this tutorial about publicizing your wiki. I'm going to be showing you some ways to publicize your wiki on your blog as well as through internet search engines. So the way to get started is to come over here to the settings on the top right, and when you go to the settings page, what you want to do is come down to underneath where it says publicize monitor there. Okay, so you want to come down here to the fourth one, and it's publicize your wiki. So if you click on that, the first thing we're going to do is add a tag. These are tags that help search engines find your wiki. So since this wiki is about antiques and flea markets, there's already some tags over here, but I'm going to add the tag flea market. So I'm going to type that in, and then I'm going to submit it. And you will see that now that tag is going to show up over here on the right here, flea market. And if I wanted to get rid of it, I could check the X, but I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to then, that's all you have to do to add a tag. I'm going to come down here to step 3, which is spreading the word on your blog about your wiki. And you get 3 different options that they give you. One is to just add the text, visit my wiki, onto your blog, or you can put a small sort of graphic box which is also a link to your wiki, or there's this larger one that shows their logo, which is the peanut butter sandwich, and it's a little more eye-catching. And then over here to the right, they give you the text that you'll want to copy and put in your blog to bring in that image. So I'm going to take the larger one, and I'm going to scroll over here just a little so I can get all the code. I'm going to put my cursor at the beginning, and I'm going to highlight that text, and then I'm going to do a right click and let me try that again. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to copy it. Alright, now I just need to go over to my wiki, and I have that bookmarked, so I'm going to bring that up. And of course, I'm going to create a new post. I'm going to log in. All right. And once I've logged in, I'm going to write a post. Okay. And I'm going to enter some context for the image that I'm going to be entering. So I'm just going to say, visit my wiki on antiques. And then I'm going to come down here and say something like, please add your favorite antique shop to my wiki on local stores in Santa Clara County. Now I need to go into the code view instead of the visual view so that I can embed what I've copied. And then I'm going to put my cursor at the end there, and then I'm just going to do a paste. That's going to paste in the code that I've copied. And now if I come back into the visual mode, I can see that there's that picture, and I'm going to go ahead, it'll be easier to see if I go ahead and publish this page. And then I'm going to view the site so we can see that new entry, and then I'm going to prove that it actually is a link back to my wiki. So here's the new post. I could have obviously said more, but now if we click on this, we should go back to the wiki. And there it is. So that's 2 different ways that you can use WordPress to publicize your wiki and bring more users to your site.